Hi, and a very good day. No, it's not a good day, it's already 3:46 a.m. Okay, so welcome to this video. This is our first video for this YouTube channel. And basically what this YouTube channel is about Python. Isn't that great? Okay, so in this video we are going to start with basic things. I think more about setting up an IDE for Python, and I know most of you guys actually beginner in Python. And before we go through what I want to explain to you guys, I would like to say that Python is not hard as it seems, and you guys might think that this is a new thing. It's not like math, it's not like bahasa Melayu, it's not like English. It's another new thing, especially in school in Malaysia. And you guys might started with a science computer, and then you go for Form 4 and Form 5, and you might think, I don't know what I want to do with Python. You might say, I don't see any future with Python. Just put aside all those things, okay? Just enjoy what you want to learn, and Python is not that complex. Alright? So just be happy and learn as you like. Okay? And in this YouTube channel, I would like to point out that I don't want you guys to stress on things that you want to learn. I want you guys to enjoy every single thing that you learn, especially Python. Okay, so you guys already know what is Python. Python is actually a programming language which you guys can use to do programming, to create a simple program, or you want Python to do calculation for you, you can use Python. And from my opinion, I would say Python is the most simplest programming language out there that we can find. We have Java, we have C++, we have C#, and much more, but Python is much easier, much more straightforward. And yeah, straightforward, really. So now what we are going to do is we are going to install Thonny. So maybe you guys don't know what is Thonny. So basically Thonny is an IDE for Python. What IDE? IDE is Integrated Development Environment. So you can compile your Python script using Thonny, and just stay with me for Thonny, and then we go to another part. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to have a computer or a laptop that you can use, and you need to make sure that you have internet connection. Some of you guys might think, do I need a high-end computer or PC just to run Python? No, you can use a very simple PC that you have. You can borrow your mom if you can, just to do Python. And after you manage to find a computer or laptop for yourself and you have internet connection, just search for Thonny in Google search engine, just you can see on the screen, and then go for the first option, Thonny Python IDE for beginners. Click on that, and you will be arriving at this page, as you can see. So you can go through this if you like. Basically what it has features what Thonny gave to you guys. So see, you can see so many features that actually very helpful, especially for beginner. And what you need from this page is you need to download installer. So based on your operating system, whether you use Windows or you are using Mac, Linux, doesn't matter, everything is here. So but for us, we are going to use Windows since my laptop is Windows. So just click on Windows and it will pop up a window just like this. So what you need to do is you need to save file and make sure your file finish downloading, and then we can continue with the next step. Understood? Okay, so we have just finished downloading Thonny. As you can see, I have this installer right here on the screen. So you need to make sure that you know where you downloaded the file. In this case, the file is in downloads folder, so find it there, and then just double click on Thonny and you will be greeted with this new window. So it says welcome to using Thonny. So just press on next, and here I click on I accept the agreement and just go for next. And this one, it's up to you where you want to install the file. In my case, this is only in my case, it's up to you where you want to install it. I want to install it here in my data D. I'm sorry, not here, video. Yep. So after you finish setting up your file path location, just click on next and make sure to click create desktop icon so that it's easier for you to find the program when you want to use it, and press on next and install. So installing is going to take a little bit of time, but not too long, so just have a little bit of patience for it to install, fully installed. Alright, so I have just finished install Thonny, and if you manage to find this window, this kind of window which has great success, that means you successfully installed Python, and just continue, click on finish. Ta-da, it's that easy. So now you have Thonny on your desktop, as you can see here, just like this, the icon, and then below it you have Thonny. And let's get started with Thonny. Just double click on Thonny, so it will open up Thonny IDE for you, as you can see, just like this. Okay, so basically what you need to know is this is where you type your script, the untitled, and this is shell. So what shell is actually the place where the output of your script is. Okay, so that's shell. For example, let's say for a script I type print hello Python, and then I press. As you can see, we have run current script, this symbol, so you need to click on that symbol to run, and it will open up a new window asking you where to save the file. So basically what happening here is the IDE Thonny is asking us to save what I just typed, print hello Python, into a file, into a Python file specifically. So let's say I save it on desktop and I type the file name as test. You can type any name for your file, doesn't matter, after you manage to write the file name, and just press save. just like that. And as you can see in the shell below, there's a line that written hello Python. So basically that's what I asked Python to do here on top, and after I press run, Python do what I asked Python to do. And remember that I saved my file on desktop. So on desktop you can find actually the file with the name that you put. Just like mine, I put test, so that's why the file name is test. So this is actually a Python file. See, as you can see, the type is Python file. So every Python file ends with py. So see, type of file is Python file, and the extension is .py. So that represents Python file. And here you can type anything else, hello ask, and then I press run current script, and it will written down there hello ask. So that is how we use Thonny. Okay, so before we end this video, I would like to say thank you for lending me your ears and watch the video even if it's quite long. And in the next video we are going to install Python within our system. Alright, so make sure you watch that video, and goodbye. Thank you.